Hello, my friends. Welcome back. Today, I want to talk about something that can truly change your life. Yes, change is possible, but it doesn't happen by magic, and it happens step by step. Let me ask you a question. Do you feel sometimes that your life is repeating? Every day, the same routine, the same problems, the same limits? If your answer is yes, don't worry. You are not alone. Millions of people feel this way. But here's the good news. You can change your life starting today. People often think, to change my life, I need something big. A lot of money, a new bow, a big chance, but the truth is different. Life changes with small, consistent steps. Let's learn a phrase together. Small steps, big changes. Repeat with me. Small steps, big changes. If you practice English for 10 to 15 minutes every day, in 1 year you will be shocked at your progress. If you read one page of a good book every night, in 1 year you will finish 12 books. If you write down one idea every morning, in 1 year you will have 365 ideas. See? Small steps, but big changes. Now let me connect this to English learning. When you learn English, you are not just learning words. You are opening doors. Doors to opportunities, doors to people, doors to new worlds. Imagine this. You are in another country and someone asks you, "Can you help me?" If you answer in English with confidence, you will feel proud. You will feel free. Here's a phrase for you to remember. Language is power. And say it with me. Language is power. And it's true. Every new word you learn is like a new tool in your life. But I know many people are afraid. They say, "I can't speak. I make mistakes. People will laugh." Let me tell you something important. Making mistakes is normal. When a baby learns to walk, they fall many times. Do we laugh at the baby? Number. We encourage them. It's the same with language. Every mistake is not a failure, it's progress. So don't be afraid. Be brave. Speak, even if it's not perfect. Here's another phrase. Progress, not perfection. Repeat. Progress, not perfection. To change your life, you must first change your mind. You cannot think negative and expect a positive life. So every morning tell yourself, I am growing. I am learning. I am becoming better. These are not just words. They are seeds. And if you plant them every day, they will grow into confidence, into success, into a new life. Now let's make this practical. After watching this video, do 3 simple things. 1. Write down one goal for this week. 2. Learn 5 new English words today. 3. Speak one English sentence out loud, even if you are alone. These 3 steps may look small, but remember our phrase, small steps, big changes. My friends, you have only one life. Don't waste it waiting for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. Start small, but start today. And always remember these 3 phrases we learned together. 1. Small steps, big changes. 2. Language is power. 3. Progress, not perfection. If you live by these ideas, you will see the transformation in your life. So go out there, take action, learn, grow, and most importantly, believe in yourself. Because the truth is, you can change your life. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.